Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on all social media platforms to start learning about wealth creation and how to accumulate assets that we control with our companies on our asset column that produce passive income and sometimes capital gains income. Those are the two types of income that we can obtain from investing. Our mission here at Master Investor is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education. Made simple, we look for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. Today is February 17, 2024. Mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Golden rule is there are three types of income that exist. Is earned income as number one, or ordinary income that comes from a job or from a salary when you sell time for money. That type of income is taxed at the highest bracket. The second type of income is capital gains income, which comes from investing. And the third type of income is passive income, which also comes from investing. So out of the three incomes, only two comes from investing. The second one and the third one. Capital gains income and passive income. And passive income is taxed at the lowest bracket out of all of them. And our rule number one of our community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard through sound investing. And the reason why that is rule number one is because that's what the ultra wealthy do on a daily basis. So we are doing exactly what the ultra wealthy do so that we can have the results that we want when it comes to investing. Today's title is Unleashing the Power of Autopilot Sales, How to Easily Generate Revenue Online. I'm going to go through a talk on how to create and accumulate sales that are coming in even while we're sleeping. Majority of people have never experienced that feeling. And trust me, when I say this, when you experience making money when you're not working and that comes in and you wake up and you see it, is a feeling that you never want to get rid of ever again because it's addicting and you're going to want to explore more about how to build that passive income, right? And that's the type of income that comes in from the assets that we control with our companies. Where there's one product, there could be one digital product that is going viral, one product that you found on Alibaba from China and you're doing white label drop ship and you're not even touching the product. It could be through an affiliate link. We're not even creating the product, we're using other people's products. I mean, so many different ways we can create passive income using the new rules of money. That's why we created the ebook, the 10 new rules of money, and our digital course. And we have 3 ebooks. That one and how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on, and how to invest in crypto to build wealth, understanding Bitcoin and blockchain. They're available on Amazon. However, when you go to our website by clicking the link below, somewhere around this podcast, you'll be able to access our digital course, which comes with more assets than just the ebook. Because every ebook that we have written, we have turned it into a digital course because our plan is to continue to add more assets and emphasize on that volumes topic. Because everything changes, so we're going to be updating, adding tools, and just focusing on adding more value into that digital course. And when you get in today, you will always have access to any future asset that we will add into that digital course. You will be grandfathered in regardless of the price going up. So take advantage of the offer today and join us here at Master Investor if you're new. And if you're already an existing partner, I appreciate you keeping Master Investor working and supporting our community with your commitment and investing in financial education through our products. And here at Master Investor, we encourage you that you always do your due diligence. You take responsibility for your actions when it comes to investing in your money and understand that it's all up to you at the end, right? As a master investor, you want to have control, you want to have leverage, and you want to be able to make the decisions. And the only way we can do that is by understanding what we are doing when it comes to investing. It's not just giving our money away to somebody else. We never encourage that to anyone here. Control your money and you start building the asset column where there's one digital course, one simple website. At least you're putting that money to work into that asset that you control. So just understand we don't tell anyone to do a certain thing because that's your decision. All we ask everyone to do here is to invest in your financial education, because with more financial education, you'll be able to win a lot more in the game of money. And that is a fact. So it's not something that is only an illusion. No, it's a fact that if you focus on compounding financial education, you minimize risk and you'll be able to manage risk, because it's not the investment or investing that is risky, it's the investor that makes investing risky. So when people ask me, is that investment good? I always turn around and say, are you a good investor? And a master investor has 3 E's. Number 1, financial education. Number 2, financial experience. Number 3, excess of positive cash flow. That's when we know we're a master investor. So focus on building that asset column so that you can have those 3 E's and can supplement any earned income with passive income and capital gains income. Once you do that and you're thriving through passive income, then you're a master investor. Okay, it could be a $10,000 passive income that is coming in. It depends on each person. Everybody's different. Not everybody's lifestyle is the same, and not everyone wants the same things. So it depends on who you are at the end of the day. Write down your expenses, figure out your financial statement, and we have one inside of our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet. So when you join us, you'll be able to access that asset, all right? So in the digital age, the concept of generating sales on autopilot has transformed the way businesses operate and market their products or services. With the right strategies and tools in place, creating a system that generates sales effortlessly online has become more achievable than ever before. In this article, we will explore the ease and effectiveness of setting up autopilot sales systems and how businesses can leverage them to drive revenue consistently. Number 1, understanding autopilot sales. Autopilot sales refer to the process of generating revenue without the need for constant manual intervention or active selling efforts. Instead of relying solely on traditional sales methods such as cold calling or door-to-door sales, autopilot sales systems leverage digital platforms, automation, and targeted marketing tactics to attract, engage, and convert customers seamlessly. Number 2, building a high-converting sales funnel. At the core of autopilot sales is a well-designed sales funnel that guides prospects through the buying journey from awareness to conversion. Sales funnels typically consist of several stages, including awareness, interest, consideration, and action. By creating compelling content, offering valuable incentives, and providing seamless user experience at each stage of the funnel, businesses can maximize conversion rates and generate sales on autopilot. Number 3, harnessing the power of email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective tools for generating autopilot sales online. By building an email list of prospects and customers, businesses can nurture relationships, deliver targeted content, and promote products or services consistently over time. Automated email sequences triggered by user actions or predefined criteria allow businesses to engage with subscribers on autopilot and drive sales effortlessly. Number 4, implementing retargeting campaigns. Retargeting campaigns are another powerful tool for generating autopilot sales by re-engaging visitors who have previously interacted with our website or content. By placing tracking pixels on our website and targeting ads to users who have shown interest in our products or services, businesses can stay top of mind and encourage conversions with minimal effort. Retargeting campaigns can be set up and managed using ad platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Number 5, offering irresistible incentives and deals. To entice prospects to make a purchase on autopilot, businesses can offer irresistible incentives and deals that drive urgency and compel action, whether it is a limited time discount, a free trial, or a special bonus offer. Providing value-added incentives can motivate prospects to take the next step in the buying process without the need for personal selling. By strategically positioning offers throughout the sales funnels, businesses can capitalize on autopilot sales opportunities and drive revenue effortlessly. Number 6, leveraging social proof and testimonials. Social proof plays a crucial role in autopilot sales by building trust and credibility with prospective customers. By showcasing positive reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content, businesses can reassure prospects that their products or services are reputable and reliable. Incorporating social proof into our sales funnels can help overcome objections and encourage conversions on Autopilot. Number 7, monitoring and optimization. While Autopilot sales systems can run smoothly with minimal intervention, it is essential to monitor performance metrics and optimize our strategies for maximum effectiveness. Pardon. By analyzing data, tracking key performance indicators, KPI, and experimenting with different tactics, businesses can identify areas for improvement and fine-tune their Autopilot sales systems to drive better results over time. In conclusion, creating sales on Autopilot online has never been easier or more accessible for businesses of all sizes. By leveraging the power of digital platforms, automation, targeted marketing tactics, and compelling incentives, businesses can set up Autopilot sales systems that drive revenue consistently and effortlessly. Whether it is through email marketing, retargeting campaigns, irresistible offers, or social proof, businesses can capitalize on Autopilot sales opportunities to generate revenue while focusing on other aspects of growth and expansion. With the right strategies and tools in place, businesses can unlock the full potential of Autopilot sales and achieve their financial goals with ease. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Remember to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And if you have any feedback, please share it with us. And of course, like and share this valuable content with your close friends, with the close associates, whoever you want to build a team with. Remember, investing is about building our team. And it's thankfully so today with AI. We don't need to have a big team, but we do need to have a mentor. We need to have support, customer service, and we can do this with all the systems that are available to us. So we can do a lot of we can delegate a lot of tasks to AI, and whatever we cannot delegate to AI, we can hire overseas, or we can go to websites where we can hire freelancers and can make them part of our team. Okay, and we can build our business to create Autopilot sales, because a true business is a system of systems. And that's why on the cash flow circle, when you read our ebook, it explains the 4 players of the cash flow circle, which we all form part of this money game, right? And so whether you're an employee, a self-employed, a business owner, or an inside investor, we all form part. And those are the 4 players that exist in the cash flow circle. And on the right side of the cash flow circle, that's where wealth is created. That's where the business owner and the inside investor, the master investor, operates. And the business owner controls systems, owns systems, okay? Because a business is a system of systems. And then an inside investor is that individual that puts money to work. So where we're getting that revenue from the business that we're building, or whatever asset we have on our asset column that is bringing passive income, our job as a master investor or inside investor is to make money work hard through sound investing. So we have to redirect that money into acquiring another asset, whether it's a similar business to that one, or another product, or we're going to compound more on that asset column to scale that business because every business has a financial statement. And so we can look at the asset column, can we add anything more to scale that business, right? So we could reuse that money to maximize profits on that business. And of course, we want to encourage everyone to diversify among the 5 different asset classes that exist to protect ourselves from down economy and hedge for inflation. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you for listening to another amazing podcast here at Master Investor. Welcome to our community. Remember that 2 types of debt, good debt and bad debt. We encourage everyone to learn how to manage debt, to use debt. We never tell people to be debt free, because that would be insane. That's not how you create true wealth, because money is created with debt. So debt is money. So we must understand how to use debt to buy assets that produce passive income and capital gains income. And once we do that, we can tap into infinite return on investment very fast, which that's the holy grail of investing. When we have no money invested into a deal and we have ongoing stream of passive income coming from that investment, and we have none of our capital invested in that deal. We can have debt on it, we control the debt, but that's not our capital. So, but that is literally printing money for us. So that is good debt because it's making us wealthy. It's printing money for us legally, and debt is tax-free because money is created with debt. So we want to encourage everyone here at Master Investor to learn how to manage debt and to invest using debt so that you can also pay for your bad debt that you have in your liability column. And there's nothing wrong with having liabilities as long as we have assets that pay for that expense of that liability. So as we always say here, we always live above our means and expand our asset column. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Talk to you next time.